Welcome everyone! Here is how to turn on or off silent mode in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So on the older iPhones, you had this mute switch and you could flick this down and up to change the silent mode option. On iPhone 17 Pro Max, we have to use the action button instead. So we first need to program action button by opening up settings, then scroll down and select the action button option, and we're going to swipe across and we're going to choose the silent mode. Once you've done this, just long press the action button, so don't click it. You can see that doesn't do anything, but if you long press it, it will go from ringer to silent. And the second way, if you don't want to use action button for silent mode, is if you swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen like this, you will see the bell icon. You can tap this to turn off or on silent mode. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. If you did not find this video useful, leave any questions, any concerns in the comment section. I will try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.